I have ordered a laptop on the Amazon Prime deals, which was on 26th and 27th, this Lenovo laptop. So let's unbox and check it. Let's start. Hey guys, welcome back to Qurrah Tech. In this channel, I do some tech videos, reviews, tutorials, some tips and videos, also unboxing videos like this one, and also some all kind of tech videos, some internet like Hathway, routers, everything, all that kind of internet things, and I do it all kind of techie stuff. So if you're new here, you can just prime the button, the red button down below. I know you're aware of that one. Or if you already subscribe to my channel, you can like, comment, share to your friends and community, all that kind of thing. So let's rock the world to technology, because technology is the future. So let's start. So this is the laptop that I bought recently. I ordered this on 26th of July. The Prime deals, that one. I got this on today, 27th. I'm recording this video on 27th today, but I don't know whether I have time to upload this video on YouTube. So don't check the date on which I upload this video. I'm recording this video on 27th, this today. So let's start. So before starting this video, this is the kind of laptop. It's kind of a cool seal and some such things. As you can see here on the back side, they did some kind of tag and all kind of Qurrah and such things, blah blah, all that stuff. And on the back side here, you can see they displayed all kind of details of this laptop. This laptop is Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3, i3 processor, 10th generation. It has 8GB RAM and only SSD 256GB. I didn't buy this with HDD because additionally we can include the hard drive, but SSD we cannot. So I just left the idea of the hard drive HDD. Okay, let's unbox it without wasting further of time. So here I took my knife, a new knife. This also I bought this on Amazon Prime deals. So let me just cut it out. So I have cut the seal off. I have broken the seal. It's kind of tight here. Oh my goodness, the laptop is really sleek and slim, but I don't want to take the laptop as soon as ever like the thing. I'll just hold on a bit. I'll just take out the charger adapter, I think so. It's also very small. Yeah, just hold on. This is the adapter they gave along with this laptop. This adapter is kind of different, and I haven't seen like this kind of adapter recently. I have not seen like this one. It's kind of new. Yeah, they will give us some adapter. Along with it, they'll give an extra cable to plug in the socket, and they will give this a separate thing. I don't know, everything is packed here. So just hold on, let me just remove the strap here and then show you the length of this one. Yeah, it's not even that much big. Yeah, my full hand, it's kind of, I think it's approximately 1 meter long. I think it's not very long. I think we have to use an extension cable or socket to charge if you are in some kind of long distance to the socket. So let me just keep this one aside, and now let me just take the laptop. So it is the main thing. Just hold on. Oh my god, it's really kind of freaking cool and amazing. Just hold on, I'll just keep the laptop down. And I'll take the user manual. You can see inside there are some manuals and some kind of documentations. So let me just take it out. Yeah, the first one they gave Ideapad Slim 3 all kind of setup guide, and the another one is safety and warranty guide. And finally there is a restriction of distribution Windows 10. I think that they mentioned here that a copy of the Windows 10 that is pre-installed on your Lenovo computer is intended for distribution in India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka only. It is not original, I think, so they're saying it's a copy. Okay, let's open it up and check it out. As you can see here, this is the laptop. It's very small. So just hold on, I'll come on that side of this frame and I'll show you. I don't know whether my face is focusing or not, so I came closer so that you can see how it looks. So this is the laptop thing. They gave some cushions and such things for protecting on the Amazon deliveries and such things. Okay, just kidding. And just hold on a bit. So we have removed the two thermocol supports. I thought they'll give some kind of bubble things, which is pretty much good, but they didn't give that. Okay, anyways, nothing much. So this is the laptop. Let me just open it up. So as you can see, the laptop is kind of shiny here. As you can see here, it's very less weight compared to others. So let me just go to my setup there. So now I came back to the distance. I don't know whether my phone focused the near view of the laptop where I showed you very much close. I don't know whether my phone focused or not because I'm not having a camera, I'm not having a setup. So just the minimal thing. So this is the laptop. It's very compact and very sleek and very slim compared to the name which says Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3. It's really compact and sleek. I'm holding this in hand, but I don't feel like it's a laptop. I think it's like a notebook, like a 120 or 160 pages notebook. It's like a notebook weight, I think so. It's not the kind of heavy. It's very compact and sleek, very small and tiny. I would say it's like a Chromebook. I would say that like that one because very sleek. And you can see on the back side, it has a kind of like a diamond cut, I will say like that. I'm not reviewing cars, but it's kind of diamond cut like this thing here. You can see it's really attractive to look. I'm very lovable with this design. So, and on the right side, you can see it has a headphone jack and a headphone indicator, I think so, we did to put inside, and a memory card slot to put such things. And on the left side, it has a charger socket, one HDMI cable, and 3 USB ports with a power indicator and on and off like that, such things. And down here it has a brand Lenovo logo. Overall, this laptop is super sleek and amazing. So now let me open the laptop. 3, 2, 1 and open. Yeah, inside it has a kind of cloth, dust cloth, which is very useful, and it has congratulations on your recent Lenovo purchase. They have some kind of pamphlet, such things. Okay, let's put this one away. Oh my god. As you can see here, the laptop is very super and sleek. And the keyboards are not black in color. They're kind of some kind of grayish, some kind of shade. Yeah, it's kind of matching with the color on the panels, on edge panels. It's kind of cool. And it has a camera shutter, privacy lock and off, which is really cool and amazing for some Zoom call meetings or online meetings nowadays, which is very frequent. And it has a very large mouse pad and a power key, which is not here, which is on the right side at this side. And here you can see it says Intel i3 10th generation. So that's the laptop I bought. So overall, this laptop is really freaking super stylish and amazing. Which I got really very attractive to this at the time when I unboxed this and saw this amazing looks. And the MRP price of this laptop comes around 50 to 52,000 Indian rupee. But a very big but. I bought this for, my friend bought, I didn't buy, I have a separate laptop. A friend bought this one in Prime Amazon deals, where I got this for just 39,990. Where he put a credit card, HDFC credit card, the office came, and it reduced approximately 1,750 rupees, approximately 2,000 rupees reduced, and he got this laptop for 37,300 rupees, but they included some credit card charges. If you cancel that, it comes around 37,500 to 38,000 approximately. So that's the amazing deal on this super laptop. So finally, that's all about this laptop, complete unboxing and outer review. You may ask a question that I didn't boot the laptop and didn't check it. I didn't show you the interface inside. I will post that in another video. So stay tuned by subscribing down and check my next video. I will post that in upcoming weeks. So stay tuned by subscribing and follow me on social media like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You can see the branding. It's Qurrah Tech. So catch you up in next video. This is Rs.40 from Qurrah Tech. See you next video. Bye bye.